So guys, I just want to take a moment to thank BeeKind for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Their company was created to help protect bee colonies around the world. They also donate 10% of every sale to pollinators and other nonprofit organizations around the world, and I am so happy to be partnering with them because I love the purpose behind the company and their mission in helping to save bees. I have some super cute pieces like this necklace. This is from their honey drop collection. Super cute, love it. And this ring is also from their honey drop collection. I have a discount code in the description box. It's Terelax20 for 20% off your purchase, along with the link to their website, so you can go ahead and check them out and be a part of their worthy cause. Also guys, I absolutely love how adorable their packaging are. Like, this is super cute. So the packaging is so adorable, and I love the fact that it was handcrafted and that all the packaging is cardboard, so it's 100% recyclable, which is good for the earth. They also sent me this Be My Sunshine from the Be My Sunshine collection. It's a bracelet. I chose this one for my daughter. Love how cute it is. You guys can see it. Absolutely adorable. This necklace to go with it, and this is also from the Be My Sunshine collection. Before guys, they have some adorable pieces on their website, so definitely go ahead and check them out. You can either choose to purchase the pieces separate, or you can purchase it as a set. Don't forget to click the link in my bio and apply the coupon code and help to be a part of their mission in saving these bees. Once again, thank you to BeeKind. I am absolutely obsessed with this necklace. I love it. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I am not going to do a lot of talking throughout this video. I'm just going to play some music and let you guys clean along with me. But I want to thank you guys for being here. I appreciate each and every like, comment, subscription to all my new and returning subscribers. I love y'all world without end, and I just feel so happy and blessed. You guys keep constantly coming back to watch this video, and y'all motivate me to keep going. So I just want to thank y'all. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. It is totally free. It only takes a couple seconds, and it helps YouTube to know that you enjoy this content. I upload videos twice a week on Saturdays and Tuesdays, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the same time every week. So I hope to see you guys there. Anyways guys, love y'all. I'm gonna wrap this video up here. I'm just taking the food out of the oven that I put in there earlier before I started cleaning, so I'll be finished by the time I was done. And it's just some chicken and sweet potatoes that I had in there to meal prep for the 2 days. Anyways guys, thank you so much, love y'all.